This is KRT Newsline from Critical Race Theory. Here's what's happening. A hurricane is due to arrive in California and other western states for the first time in 84 years. Hurricane Hilary reached major storm status off Mexico's Pacific coast Thursday, and it could bring heavy rain to the southwestern U.S. this weekend. The U.S. National Hurricane Center said in an update that Hilary had maximum winds of 120 miles per hour to become a Category 3 storm. And the last time I checked, it was a Cat 4. It was on a projected path that threatened landfall on the central Baja California peninsula by Sunday, or possibly stay just offshore while heading for Southern California. Hilary was centered about 445 miles south of Los Cabos on the southern tip of the Baja Peninsula. It's moving west-northwest at 14 miles per hour, but was expected to take a more northward heading in the coming days. The Hurricane Center said that as Hilary moves onto or brushes the Baja Peninsula, it could possibly survive briefly as a tropical storm or tropical depression and cross the U.S. border. According to the National Weather Service, no tropical storm has made landfall in Southern California since September 25, 1939. Rainfall impacts from Hilary within the southwestern United States are expected to peak this weekend into Monday. The area potentially affected by heavy rainfall could stretch from Bakersfield, California, to Yuma, Arizona, as well as some parts of southern Nevada. UCLA climate scientist Daniel Swain said in an online briefing Wednesday, the outlook for excessive rainfall in Southern California stretches from Sunday to Tuesday. While the odds are against Hilary making landfall in California as a tropical storm, there's a high chance of major rain and flooding. And I bet most of you newcomers to California thought you would only have to deal with earthquakes. Meteorologist Heather Waldman says, quote, Hilary's greatest impacts in the Golden State will be in Southern California, specifically San Diego County, Imperial County, and San Bernardino County. Impacts for Northern California will be far less severe. Clouds will increase for the valley and foothills on Sunday. A few showers are possible in the Sierra. In Arizona, Hilary's effects are already being felt, with increased moisture levels having spurred showers around parts of the state on Thursday. Rain chances are increasing as well, with strong to severe thunderstorms. Concerns of localized damaging winds and flooding would begin in the Grand Canyon State Friday. Arizona is expecting several rounds of storms, especially across northwest portions of the state. On the Weather Service map, the area in yellow represents a slight risk of flash flooding guidance being exceeded within a 15% chance in a 25-mile radius. For the other regions, Mojave, La Paz, Yuma, Yavapai, and parts of Pima and Santa Cruz counties, flood watches will run till 5 p.m. on Monday, August 21st. According to the Weather Service, Saturday through Sunday will see most of the impact for southwestern Arizona, describing the conditions as deteriorating for areas such as Yuma and La Paz County. Rain and thunderstorms will become numerous with really heavy downpours and gusty winds during that Saturday night. The most intense rain, more persistent rains, and gusty winds will arrive Sunday night. These heavily affected portions of the west-southwestern areas of Arizona have a forecast precipitation of cities near California receiving more than 2 inches of rain from the storm, with an ever-increasing threat of flash floods. Nevada is expecting multiple rounds of moderate to heavy rain over the weekend due to moisture from Hurricane Hilary, but it is uncertain of just how much the storm's impact will have on Las Vegas. Meteorologist Morgan Stessman says, quote, a lot will depend on the terrain. Most likely we will get 1 to 2.5 inches of rainfall Saturday through Monday in the valley. Stessman says that the Spring Mountains and Sheep Range could receive 2 to 4 inches. The other major factor is the track of the storm. Should it move westward, Las Vegas and the region would likely feel less impact. However, if it moves east, the impact might be greater. A projected path released Friday morning shows the center line moving just west of the Las Vegas area as it moves northward toward Reno. Death Valley, which suffered major flooding episodes about a year ago, could receive 2 inches or more, again depending on the terrain. Flash flooding could easily occur with that much rain. Here are some ways to prepare for Hilary. Get a generator for when the power goes out. Stock up on food and water. Get medication. Make a go bag for every family member. Get a pair of family radios. Get lanterns, flashlights, and extra batteries. Get sandbags for mudslides. Fill up your cars with gas, but stay off the 15 and the 40. I've been on I-40 during a storm, and it's no joke. Good luck. This has been KRT Newsline. Thanks for checking in. Like and subscribe. Leave a super thanks or buy me a coffee, and we'll see you next time.